You ready to shave me?
Maybe.
With this?
Holy cow. At least it's not too heavy. Not like the accent. That was really heavy.
Yeah, but they're both really sharp. And it's going to be right next to my throat.
Yep.
You ready?
Sure.
Cool. Alright, let's get started. So yeah, the soap.
Soap?
Real.
Well, the shampoo soap is
No,
raw.
you want to use that one. Ah! Yeah, what are you doing? Stop!
Why?
You used the brush, woman!
The brush isn't there.
We'll find it!
No, it's not there. It's not there.
Oh
Yes, I can, because your beard's all floppy.
Oh, this is so wrong. It's supposed to be a relaxing bonding moment for us.
What's the sweat? I'm going to have a knife to your throat.
Yes, it's a trust issue.
Yeah, well, trust me with this.
Can you look for the brush?
I have. It's not there.
Can you have another look?
No, it's not there.
Please, could you have another look for the brush? Because you love you.
It's not there.
Under the sink, woman.
It's not there. Oh, hang on. Yes, it is.
Boys, look. Oh, look at that. Wait. Hang on, did you just wipe that over the cat and now you're going to wipe it all over my face?
Didn't actually get it on the cat. But, you know, that wouldn't stop me.
Not up the nose! No! You're enjoying this too much. Okay, you've got to touch the blade, the bevel of the blade to the skin.
Yeah, but I can't see
Oh,
it.
it's working well.
Yeah, I'm just a little bit anxious. Oh, crap. It's too big. I need something in this one.
You're going the wrong way. No, you got to go with the grain. Lay the bevel on my. You know what I'm saying?
No,
Okay. What's the bevel?
I don't know.
Oh God.
Can I just...
Okay.
Then
Lay the flat bit. That's it. And then have the edge so it's above the hair. That's it. Right. It's on my skin. I didn't say move it. Put it back on my skin. Oh. Right, and then tip the blade so the edge comes into contact with the hair, and then you move it down. That's it. That's it. Well done. Good, and then you tip. Go.
I can hear it cutting.
Holy cow, that's not even pulling at all. That is so sharp. How's it look?
Yeah, I haven't cut it yet.
Yeah, but is it a clean shave or is
No,
it?
not yet. I'm just taking off the surface, the top layers.
Yeah, no, you got a little bit more contact with the skin, a little bit more angle.
Well, that's what I want.
Yeah. How's that?
Well, I haven't got a clean shave yet.
Oh.
Because I'm not game enough to cut you.
I'm not
Won't
game enough to
me
cut
if
you.
You're pushing the blade perpendicular to its edge. You will cut me if you slide
Can
the
you be
blade.
quiet? Thank you. Oh! No, I can't do that. No.
You're gonna have to at some point, otherwise I'm not gonna get a clean shave.
That's fine. I'm not planning on a clean shave. Just enough to say that I had an attempt.
Oh.
Yeah. What was that? I can't remember whether it was something truly that happened or just a story on Facebook about, you know, this couple that wanted to do a really cool YouTube video. So they got guns and went, oh, it won't penetrate these books or something.
Yes, but that's slightly different.
Yeah, I've just got a knife at your throat.
Yes, but this
Or I'll
is...
slice your cheek off.
Well, don't slice my cheek off.
Will you be
don't
quiet?
slice with the razor and you
Shush.
push.
Shush.
Do it properly, it's all fine.
Oh, yes. And doing better than what I did when we did the axe.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! I got one little bit that... No, it's not clean yet.
Look, stop. Give it to me.
Come.
If you slide, either way, you will cut me.
Yes, I know.
But you
But
get
then
it,
you talk or
tip.
you stick your tongue
Oh,
out.
shut up. God.
Yeah, exactly.
How's that?
Cool.
Oh! I'm glad you did it while you weren't,
Cutting. Oh, holy cow, I thought that was me!
That was the cat! She fell off my leg and dug her claws in! Oh!
Yeah, that hurts.
It does!
Yeah, I
Hmm. So after this bonding trust exercise.
That's not going on.
You are so not putting that on the film. Oh,
What?
you had a bit of skin. That's higher than this, and when no, that's not good.
Am I bleeding?
No, pulled up forehead. Yeah, that'll do. See you later.
Oh, come on.
No.
Right, well then you have to assist me.
Okay. It's all dry.
This is my crossface.
No, not. That's getting close to it. Oh, you're putting hair everywhere.
There's a fair bit of it. That little lug gets in the way of my ear. I'm not sure this is more scary when I'm doing it or less scary.
I'm glad it's not just me. Just remember, you've got a really long blade. Oh, there's the cat.
Because the blade's long, I just caught this little patch.
I told you.
Well, I'm not bleeding yet.
I love the yet.
It's maintaining its edge really well. It's pretty impressive. Do you mind, puss? You can get yourself comfortable later.
Oh, you're purring.
I've got my mole just here, which I'm a bit.
Ariel.
Yep.
You can hear the cat purring.
Alright, your chinny chin chin.
I'm putting that off. It's scary.
Don't slip. Don't laugh. Don't slip.
You're not helping.
No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I'm holding the camera. It's not listening.
Would you stop trying to distract me?
What?
See, what I don't get, right? When you had hold of this thing, you're being concerned why I don't want to cut you. But when I'm doing it, you're doing your absolute best to distract me.
No, I'm not. Maybe. but using your tongue. Don't you? If you lick it, then you can. Oh, doing it tongue.
Should we call that done?
No,
What?
I won't hear it.
Really?
Yeah.
Right, because I've had enough. Yeah, there are some bits I'm missing.
Look at these long bits here. This is all in here and down here. And
Do you want to do it?
No. Oh yeah, I'll do it with the razor.
Well,
Sure.
that definitely needs a sharp, and so I'm going to call it a day. Wow.
Yeah, you look so much younger again.
You can see my face again. Oh, well, that was a little nerve-wracking. It now needs a sharpen, but I reckon it's still well and truly sharp enough for what I need it for, which is I've got to go harvest some more bamboo for the thatching that we're going to do this weekend. So stay tuned for other videos. Some of them, actually, I might have published them in a different order, so maybe you've already seen them. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. This was very silly.
Just a little.
We've had fun. I think I am bleeding in a couple of spots, but not really.
No,
considering.
but you still got a lot that needs to come off.
Yeah, but
You gotta tidy up.
I'm gonna either have to sharpen it and do the tidy. Okay, I'll sharpen and do the tidy up.
Alright, I'm okay with
Sharpen
that.
and do the tidy up. Alright, I'm done.
Give me a look.
Now that I'm bleeding.
No, give me a look. Thank you. Look, you've still got some here, and here, and here, and this side's worse.
I'm done. That's it. I'm gonna let it grow out overnight, and then I'll have another go in the morning. And then I'll just use a normal razor. I've done my point. I've proven my point. I've got the video footage. I've had you laughing at me. That's enough. I'm just cutting myself more and more now. Even after in fact, after sharpening, I'm cutting myself even more. Didn't even feel it. Just went. Now I'm dripping. I'm dripping blood.
Oh dear. Feeling a bit short.
You are short. Alright, so until next time, catch you later.
Bye. Very funny.
I love you.
I love you too.